the RF Microwave Update series. I'm Pat Hindle, and I'm here with my co-host Del Pearson. In this episode, we're going to cover our February satellite and radio communications themed issue. The cover story is written by ETL Systems about Q and V-band frequency converters for next-generation SATCOM systems, and they state that this approach could double the total satellite bandwidth available today. And they show how these links can be used as feeder links, and the user links can remain as KA band. So Del, what do we have for technical features?
We had 2 technical features and a special report in our February issue. Global Invacom's article was titled Transceivers versus Discretes in Satellite Applications, which weighed the benefits of each technology, including flexibility versus accountability in a variety of circumstances. Rodian Shorts collaborated with Nokia on a technical article titled AI-Powered Digital Post-Distortion, Enabling Energy-Efficient 6G Uplink Communication, which reviewed the fundamentals of digital post-distortion and then evaluated AI-powered 5G receivers, determining that AI-powered DPD fundamentally redefines the receiver's role in wireless systems, shifting from passive recovery to active compensation for transmitter impairments. Finally, we had a special report from Yole Group titled Glass as a Versatile Platform for Advanced Packaging and RF Systems, which reviewed how glass is currently being used in recommended areas for expansion. Pat, what did we have for news?
Yeah, glass technology is really advanced. So turning to the news, there were several aerospace and defense related items that I thought I'd cover. Raytheon has been selected by DARPA to develop an advanced sensing and targeting system that will help defend vulnerable commercial shipping and naval logistics vessels against emerging threats such as unmanned surface vehicles. Under the contract, Raytheon's advanced technology team will design, build, and demonstrate a system that consists of electro-optical and infrared sensors, advanced detection software, and robust command and control capabilities to enhance situational awareness and threat response. The system, which is being developed by DARPA's Polling Guard program, will deploy the sensors via a tethered drone connected to a semi-autonomous unmanned platform that is towed by the commercial and naval logistics vessels. The sensors will provide real-time targeting tracking data to remote operators, enable them to make rapid, informed engagement decisions. Next item was the UK Ministry of Defence has awarded BAE Systems a contract worth about £450 million, and this is for full production of new advanced radar for the UK Typhoon aircraft. The contract follows a successful program of development and testing enabled through long-term UK investment, and it marks a major step forward in the Royal Air Force's Typhoon capability. The state-of-the-art radar, known as the ECRS Mk2, will deliver advanced electronic warfare capability, allowing the aircraft to detect, identify, and track multiple targets in the air on the ground. And Open Cosmos, this is a company building satellites to understand and connect the world, launched their first satellites in its new proprietary LEO telecom constellation. And just 1 week after securing high-priority Ka-band spectrum, the 2 satellites were launched by the Rocket Lab from New Zealand on its Electron rocket for the mission named The Cosmos Will See You Now. And it represents the first activation phase of Open Cosmos Future-Ready Satellite Network. Del, how about you for news?
Yeah, Pat, lots of market recaps were released in the past few days, including the high-end router market, broadband equipment, and RAN. These reports are all stemming from the Dell Oro Group. According to the reports, the high-end router market dramatically improved from 2024 to 2025, driven by an increased demand for routing equipment across communication service providers, cloud providers, and enterprise/public use. It is also driven by the uptick in AI data centers. At the current rate, the high-end router market is forecast to hit $15 billion by 2030. The broadband equipment market is large but growing slowly, expected to peak in 2028 at $18.8 billion in revenue, driven by DOCSIS 4.0 and fiber expansion. Finally, the RAN market is stabilizing following its steep decline in 2023 and 2024 following the 5G peak. With 6G around the corner, the Dell Oro Group expects a CAGR of 1% over the next 5 years as declining LTE revenues are offset by continued 5G and initial 6G investments. This will be a space to watch since there are a lot of moving variables. And Pat, now that we've recovered from the holiday season, made it through January, we have a lot of events coming up. So tell us about them.
Yeah, turning to events, I'll be attending DesignCon at the end of February, which is delayed. It's usually in the end of January because of the Super Bowl taking place in Santa Clara. I'm already seeing news from exhibitors, and one that I saw that was really interesting was Samtec will showcase high-performance interconnect solutions and enabling technologies that support data rates up to 448 gigabits per second, and that's signals up to 130 gigahertz. In-booth engineering experts there can help attendees find the optimal interconnect solution, whether it's copper or optics, connectors, cable systems, and discrete wiring, RF or digital signals operating from 56 gigabits per second up to that 448 level. Del, how about you? I think you have some bittersweet news for us.
The last news item to share today is that this will be my final time hosting Frequency Matters. So after a fantastic year at Microwave Journal and 20-something plus years in New England, I am migrating cross-country to sunny San Diego and leaving the wonderful team here at Microwave Journal. It's very bittersweet to share, as Pat mentioned, but it was also -5 last week, so it can only be so bitter. It has been an absolute pleasure to experience the RF industry through this lens and to meet everyone I've met during my time here, whether at IMS, EUMW, or online. Luckily, I'm staying in the industry, so I'll get to see all my lovely acquaintances soon. And although my next move is still under wraps, if you'd like to stay in touch, please connect with me on LinkedIn. And I couldn't say goodbye without thanking my wonderful co-host, Pat. Thank you, Pat. You've been a great teacher and mentor during my time here. And of course, I'd like to thank the rest of the Microwave Journal team who welcomed me with open arms and taught me a ton during my time. So thank you, team, for being awesome. With that, I think that wraps up this episode. Our sponsor is RFMW. RFMW is a technical distributor of RF and microwave products and now power management. When you start your next design, please consider their multiple product lines. And remember, as a member of the industry, a subscription to Microwave Journal is free, so visit our site and subscribe today if you're not already a reader. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channels. Thank you for watching, and join Pat next time for Frequency Matters.